CROM 3-piece Crowfoot wrench set comes with half-inch drive, 3/8-inch drive, and a 1/4-inch drive wrench. The Crowfoot wrench is made with both male and female square drives, making them compatible with breaker bars, extension bars, or ratchets for added leverage and control. The serrated toothed head combined with a spring-loaded auto-adjusting feature enables the wrench to ratchet back during turning, maintaining a strong grip on the object. This versatile auto-adjusting Crowfoot wrench set is ideal for a variety of tasks, from tightening hex nuts and bolts to handling common plumbing jobs.